Hello guys, welcome to our channel. As you can see, today is another beautiful day and today is making them 4 weeks now. Congratulations to us. We are going and we are growing. Thank you very much. Thank you for following this channel. God will protect you and God will support you all. So today is their vaccine day and I'm going to give them 4 weeks vaccine. That's Lasota vaccine. That's what I'm giving them. Lasota. That's what I'm giving them. They have already taken Gogoro vaccine. So this is Lasota now. So what I'm doing, I'm mixing the vaccine with just a little cow meat to release them from stress. So I just want to pour a little. It's not. I would have measured it, but I know the quantity. They also said very little. So this is vaccine. This is the vaccine. This is the total vaccine, 500 doses. So what I'm going to do now, I will open the vaccine. So this thing now, I will not let it pour on the floor. So nothing will make you make that mistake because if you not dey inside the water, if the water touch ground, it will work against them. So this one, let me wash my hand first. So I want to open it because of the gas. I will open it inside the water. So that is how I miss it. After now, I give it to them. So thank you for joining us. Watch out for the